Are you killing your cat with these litter box mistakes? Hey there, cat lovers. We all want our feline friends to be happy and healthy, right? Believe it or not, the litter box plays a huge role in that. Let's dive into some common mistakes we make and how to fix them. Did you know the wrong litter can actually stress your cat out? It's true. And a dirty litter box? That's a big no-no. Cats are clean creatures, and a messy box can lead to avoidance and even health problems. Where you put the box matters too. A noisy, high-traffic area can make your cat anxious. Think about it. Would you want to do your business in a busy intersection? Probably not. Ignoring your cat's preferred litter texture is another common mistake. Some cats like clumping, some prefer non-clumping. Experiment a little. You might be surprised by what they like. Not scooping daily. That's a big problem. Imagine using a toilet that hasn't been flushed in days. Yuck. Keep it clean for your kitty. Too few litter boxes, especially in multi-cat households, can cause territorial issues. The general rule is 1 box per cat, plus 1 extra. Strong scented litter might seem nice to us, but it can irritate your cat's sensitive nose. Opt for unscented varieties instead. Changing litter types suddenly can confuse and distress your feline friend. Make changes gradually, mixing the old with the new. Is your litter box too small? An uncomfortable box can lead to improper usage, and not enough litter depth can make digging difficult. Cats like to bury their business. Don't forget to clean the sides of the box. Bacteria can grow there, and covering the box, that can trap harmful odors, making it even less appealing. Never punish your cat for litter box mistakes. This only increases anxiety and reinforces bad habits. Consistently high sides can be tough for older or arthritic cats. Make sure they can easily get in and out. Offering a variety of boxes can help you understand your cat's preferences. Try different sizes, shapes, and litter types. Understanding these common mistakes can significantly enhance your cat's overall well-being. A happy cat makes for a happy home.